Ghost dog. Ghost dog. Ghost dog.
You want to get all your winches aligned so when you start throwing straps, you don't want to run out of winches. So, what's up, drivers? Styrofoam Securement. Make sure you get your edge protectors right there. Each stack, you want to put 2 straps. Normally there's a smoke tarp on the front, but since this load is going less than 500 miles, the shipper said there's no need for a smoke tarp. In the back, you want to have your X strap. X strap. I want you to use your own edge protector thingy. I never used this before. Oh, there you go. They want you to use these cardboard ones. They don't want you to use plastic, so this is pretty handy and dandy. There we go. It's easy. Twist the strap, edge protector. Put a twist in your strap. So the wind won't have it flapping up against the styrofoam and damage it. You want to get all your winches aligned so when you start throwing straps, you don't want to run out of winches. So line them all up, and whatever's left, just throw the straps on the other side, because just got one more winch here. That joint don't even move back any further than that. You can't tighten this down too much, because it'll bend. Let's get it tight just enough. You'll see a lot of times that drivers put an X strap on the back of the styrofoam, because these types of load have the tendency to walk back on your trailer. I just went with a trip strap. I mean, it's just as good for this particular height and width. I mean, I've been driving about 1,500 miles. It hasn't moved yet. So I just went with a trip strap around the back, put some edge protectors on it. Edge protectors up top. As you can see, as you travel, this stuff moves around a lot. Right there, you can see. See, it's moving right here. The front of it is tarp.
I heard his name was Ghost Dog.
They call him the Ghost Dog. The Ghost Dog. The Ghost Dog.
I heard his name was Ghost Dog.
They call him the Ghost Dog.